Hi, just wanted to show you how to get into Apex. So when you first log in, you'll see this Apex class here. Click on that, and it will bring you in. You will then click on Access Apex, and it will show here exactly what you need to complete, how many overdue assignments. You will click on the class, and it will open up for you. The first thing you're going to click on is the very top part up here. Whatever this top part is here, click on that. For those of you that have a pretest, it will start your pretest or show pretest here. You can then click on pretest and start the pretest. You may have to scroll to the bottom here at some point and click an arrow to get to the next assignment. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.